Today's project is called roofing. We're changing the roof. We're tired of repairing this roof, so we went ahead and got someone that's about to go ahead and replace it. They're taking the shingles down. Yeah, so hopefully we'll be ready by tomorrow. That's what's taking place today. We tried to repair it 2 times, but it kept leaking, so we just decided to go and replace the whole thing. Roofing, once you replace it, it normally take 15 to 20 years of lifespan now. So once you do it, you're good for a long time. So it's one of the major costs when it comes to house. Roofing, AC, foundational issue, those can be like costly, whatever. But once you get them done, they last for a long time. AC can last 15-20 years, roof can last 15-20 years, water heater the same thing. So yeah, there's cost to it, but it's not that expensive. And you know, if you find the right guy, there's companies that will charge you. There's a company that told me like almost $12,000 for this roof. It's not a big house, as you can see. It's a small house, but we got it less than half of that price. So definitely shop around. Some big company, they're trying to sell you a bunch of crap that you don't really need. So yeah, go on with a good, decent, someone with a good reputation, and get it done for like half a price. Maybe, you know, now we're gonna spend about half of that. So yep, but that's what's taking place today. Let's go around and see what's happening. This is also the second house we lived in. We lived here for about what? Not even a year. Thank you to some people, or a year. I'm not sure. This is where we got
really
Kia.
Yeah. Our first home with Kia.
Yeah, I used to take her out over here. She thinks she owned this land. Yeah, but we had so many good memories.
How old is this house?
I'm not too old, I don't know. 1960, 1970, I'm not even sure.
I think it's 1950s.
It might be 1950s.
Yeah.
This area have a lot of history. African history, Black American. Yeah, it's a beautiful area. Up and up.
Up and up.
Up and up. It's already coming, so it's up and up. We're back at it, guys. It takes a few hours and they're almost done now. Look at it.